fantastic. I just got a haircut. You guys like it? I'm going to the gym right now for a quick workout, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store to pick up some groceries. Share a super simple recipe for you guys that is perfect for the weekend. Something refreshing, something light. I don't know what I'm gonna cook up, but let's go! Guys, I just got back home from a great workout. I'm gonna show you guys a meal that I'm gonna put together using what I have, and I also just got a bag of Butcher Box. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it, and they ship you the best quality meats from grass-fed chicken to grass-fed beef to grass-fed steak. All kinds of meats and really good quality from small farms. Is that they're now carrying wild-caught salmon. So I'm going to show you guys a super simple recipe with wild-caught salmon. So I have this piece of wild-caught salmon that's kind of thawing out, but I'm actually going to bake it, because one thing that I've been really into lately is just baking all my vegetables. I think it's so much easier if I'm on the go or if I'm like working. I can just put it away and come back to it later. I have some zucchini, which I get as much veggies, and I've kind of been like experimenting with different types of veggies on non-gassy veggies, because a lot of cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower can actually get very gassy in your system. So now I am putting the avocados into the blender. I'm gonna make a nice sauce, and I'm gonna blend this baby away. This is my baked bell peppers stuffed with vegetables and wild-caught salmon, topped with some basil and some black sesame seeds. So this is fantastic post-workout. Hope you guys give this recipe a shot. I will post it on my website. And also, if you guys want to hear more about Butcher Box, I'll leave links below, and you also get a discount if you use the link below. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more recipes, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon below. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.